guys, we got another Trackhawk in for a full wrap. It's really been a minute since I've done one of these, so I'm excited to do it. It's all black, as you can see, so it's a little bit easier. But disassembly wise, it's still, I'm going to show you guys how deep I go into this car to do it the right way. This car is not easy. It's one of the hardest cars. I guess not hardest if you've done a lot, but time consuming to disassemble it and everything, you know what I'm saying? So it does really take a lot of work to get this thing done. So I'm going to show you guys that. But this is the color. It's KPMF Ice Silver Titanium. So it's technically a matte finish, but it looks satin because of the metallic flakes in it. And the titanium in the sun, it turns like, it has this brownish effect to it. So it's a beautiful color. It's gonna look sick on this Trackhawk. I've done this color on my car, and I honestly think it was the best color for it. You guys will see in the end. And yeah, so I'm excited to get this one going. It's pretty much disassembled fully to the extent that I do it, except for one thing that I'll go over at the end. But as you can see, door handles, trims, mirrors are all off, parts laying around, all safe and sound, obviously. The glass comes out of the doors to get the door handles off. So you got to go really in depth with these cars to get the door handle bolts. They're stuck behind the glass on the front door, so you have to take that glass out. And it's just, you have to know what you're doing. At this point, I've done so many of these that I could literally just take it apart in my sleep. Now, this one is black, so it is a little bit on the easier end, obviously, but still, you do have to take that stuff off no matter what color it is to get access to those bolts. As far as the rest of it, I did take this off because it's quick, just to get, easier access to it. I didn't really have to. I'm not going to take these off because you have to take the whole inner panel off to pop these out. As it's not hard, but it's not necessary because the car is black. I'll have plenty of room to tuck behind there, behind the emblem, behind the door handle. So it's just a different approach to it. It's still going to be done perfectly as it should, as every car is. It's just that some stuff you don't really have to take off. I just took those outer taillights off because it's easy. Why not, to get, to make my life easy. So the main difference with this one, guys, is that I'm leaving the flares on. As you can see, the flares are still on, these two, and the front fender one. I always take those off because I want to get full coverage. Now, because this car is black, I want to try this way. This will save my time and it will save him money in the end. When he goes to unwrap this car, you don't have to take those flares off again. You know what I'm saying? And you have to reapply, you have to take the old tape off, you have to reapply the tape, you have to, there's a lot of work with these flares. So this time I just wanted to try it, and now I prepped it fully. The gap is really tight. That's why I do remove these. But like I said, since it's black, I'm going to try it this way. This might bite me in the ass in the end, if it starts peeling or some weird stuff, because the gap is so tight. There's very small debris that gets in there. But, we're going to try it. There's nothing wrong with doing it this way. As long as it's done properly. I've done so many of these that I'm willing to take this risk this time. So I'm going to leave them on and we're going to see how it turns out. I'll go over everything in the end. And like I said, it's going to save him money in the end. If I take these off, wrap fully under it, I'm going to have to remove those and do all that work again when it comes time to unwrap. So we're going to try it this way and we'll see. But other than that, everything else is the same. Hood, emblems were all taken off too on the doors in the back, the Trackhawk one, the Jeep right here in the front. It does have some rock chips, obviously. The car's not perfect. Hood scoops removed, the windshield washer nozzles removed. And yeah, so this thing's fully prepped, ready to go. I can't wait to put some color on it, so stay tuned. update on this Trackhawk, guys. Everything's done. It came out amazing. Everything's put back together how it should be. Badges are back on. And this color is amazing. It could be aggressive. It could be classy. It's both at the same time. On a car like this, Trackhawk, you know, it looks amazing. The body line showcases it really nicely. And outside, when that titanium brownish effect hits, when I take it out for pictures, it's going to be insane. So, yeah, I think he's going to go with gloss black wheels to counter. You know, it's kind of the color of the wrap now matches the wheels kind of. So gloss black powder coat, and then the yellow calipers will pop even more. He brought me this Hawk fender decal, or not decal, emblem. So that's on there. That's in white. That's what he wanted. These badges all back on. And yeah, here's the dent. That's what it will look like, you know, if you have a dent on your car or a deeper scratch, you know, you can still see it. Wrap is not going to hide it. Wrap conforms to anything that's on the car. So roof is also fully done. He wanted it. He didn't want to leave it gloss black. Trackhawk badge back on. The rear end came out amazing. That gloss black diffuser kills it. As you guys know, and I explained, the flares weren't taken off. So as you can see, still got perfect coverage all the way through. And obviously, if this car was white, you would definitely see some white in the gaps. But because it's black, you can't see anything through those gaps. You know, I'm not pushing the material a full inch through it. There's no need to. It's black and everything is perfectly wrapped. When you open the doors, this is wrapped all the way through in here. And clean lines all the way through. So yeah, it's fully done. Further my point with the flare thing, you know, now when he comes to unwrap it, I won't have to spend, you know, a couple hours, you know, if not more, to fully remove those flares, the tape and everything. You know, it's gonna be very easy to remove. You know, you don't have to take these off and mess with anything behind it. So you know, that's what you get away with black cars. You know, it works for both of us, me and him, as far as wrapping it and unwrapping it goes. Hood looks amazing. Front end, it's all done. This front bumper has one inlay all the way through there, and then the full piece comes on top of it. So I left this little snorkel, whatever you want to call it, gloss black. It makes it look really aggressive. And it's kind of like popping out right here. You can see it's like wavy. So I didn't really want to mess with it. And since the car's black, you know, you could do stuff like that. I think it looks really aggressive and good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Full wrap on this Trackhawk. This thing's a monster. And this color, it just suits it super well. I'm hoping he does the wheels gloss black because that'll set it off to another level as well. But yeah, there you go, guys.